What are the secrets to keeping your property's charm alive even as the market crowds? Stay with me to find out. Hey there, amazing viewers. If you enjoy our episodes, don't just hover around. Dive deeper. Hit that subscribe button like it's the key to a treasure chest of vacation rental knowledge. And ring that bell like you're summoning fun directly to your screen. Subscribe, ring, and let's keep your adventure rolling. Keeping a unique brand identity in this age of tough competition grows fiercer with each passing day. For this reason, preventing brand delusion is significant for an owner when it comes to retaining individual characteristics and making your property stand out. Transform your property into a lucrative vacation rental with our Vacation Ventures, Turning Property into Profitable Rentals course. The awesome news is that it has been revitalized and relaunched. Ideal for both newcomers and seasoned owners, this 10-module course offers 59 lessons designed to elevate your rental business. Dive into expert insights with engaging videos, convenient MP3s, and comprehensive PDFs covering everything from location analysis to crisis management. Stand out in the vacation rental market by mastering key strategies and best practices. Whether you're starting out or aiming to enhance your property's appeal, join us to unlock the full potential of your investment. Click the link now to see how you'll benefit. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity to elevate your vacation rental business. Brand delusion happens when the uniqueness of a vacation rental gets compromised, usually due to inconsistent guest experiences or lack of differentiation from other players in the market. While independent vacation rental operators have much to gain from a sense of a unique charm, at the same time, a strong, clear brand identity is not just necessary, it's crucial. Your brand's message has to resonate loud and clear at every point it touches. This may be a website, a social media post, or talking to people in person. The message of what you represent should never be in doubt. Remember, every piece of content you put out is an extension of your brand. Personalizing experiences that exemplify values. Guest experiences, if they are to cause brand retention, depend largely on whether they are in line with the core values of your brand. For example, if your vacation rental prides itself in being sustainable, guests' experiences using renewable energy and offering locally sourced food should be what guests are looking for. Such alignment will ensure guests of your brand's commitment to its values. Your employees are your front line, ensuring that your brand does not get diluted. What training are you doing for them so that the values of your brand will be etched into their minds in emphasizing repetition, which will help reinforce your brand's identity? How well are your staff really representing your brand's core values? Monitoring and adapting to market trends. While the core brand attributes are critical, adaptability shouldn't be ignored. Remain aware of market trends, and adjusting strategies accordingly might just keep your brand from becoming obsolete. Using customer feedback to better listen is a key to preventing brand delusion. This may be, for example, point out places which inconsistency is apparent and provide insight into potential improvements. In fact, these changes based on customer feedback not only help improve guest experiences, but also secure the reputation of your brand. Want to know what separates the best vacation rentals from the rest? It's all in our guide, Unpacking Your Property, the top 25 secrets to successful vacation properties. Learn how to enhance your guest's experience, optimize your operations, and boost your bookings. Don't miss out on this essential resource. Download your free copy today and watch your rental rise above the competition. Have you implemented any particular strategy that has effectively helped prevent brand delusion? Share your story in the comments below. In conclusion, a strong vacation rental unique brand identity is crucial if a vacation rental intends to cut through the clutter of the competitive market. With clear, consistent brand messaging, customized guest experiences, empowered staff, market-driven properties, and valuing guest feedback, your brand will secure its uniqueness and prevent dilution over time. Embrace these strategies for survival and success of your brand in the changing vacation rental marketplace. We invite you to share your experiences or tips in maintaining a strong brand identity. In the next episode, I will talk about embracing a profit-first mindset. And that wraps up another episode of Vacation Rental Resolutions. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell and share with your friends. Remember, every successful host starts with a dream, just like yours. Stay inspired, keep learning, and make your vacation rentals shine brighter than ever. Join us again next week for more gems. Until then, happy hosting.